this is your pulley. Okay, on your pulley, you've got these wheels, that will be the mode of your transport. And then at the back, this tire, that's your brakes. Okay, how it works, it works like this. All right, as you can see now, I'm very, very safe. This is your front safety lanyard and this is your back safety lanyard. If this one fails, I've got that one as a backup. If that one fails, I still got this one as a backup. If both fails, that's why we gave you guys some helmets. Okay, head first. You just pray to God to accept you. I'm just kidding. Okay, how you hold your pulley is quite easy. You hold your pulley like this. Make sure your fingernails, they face you. All right, I think she will get it right because I know the ladies, they like to watch their nails, so it's very easy for you. Okay, so to go, just need to lift it up. All right, slow down, not to brake, to bring it down. But there's a difference between slow down and brake. Because a brake, you pull it harder, but slow down, just tighten the cable gradually, but you still continue, just to reduce your speed. Make sure you make the destination to the other side. All right, so I'll be doing some signs, or him, you be doing some signs as you're coming. All right, and then and screaming like a girl so that you hear him or me, so, because these things are very noisy if you start sliding. If I do this, just simple means slow down. One hand, you brake. Okay, this one, keep on coming. Okay, but if you see me doing this and running, you must know that you must use your brakes then. Okay, so, yeah, okay. So, you need to sit,
Slow down.
you sit like this, all right? And then, all your weight is here, don't worry. Okay, don't use your hands to hang like this. No, you have to be flexible. And then make sure as you go in, you keep your feet straight always time. Each and every platform, each and every slide, you keep your feet straight. If that in case, let's say you break the lane, it's better to land with the bottom of your feet, but not with your shins. Otherwise, if you land with your shins, you're going to leave us what we call the Bushman paintings, which is not good for you guys. It is not good for us, and it's not good for my boss's business as well. All right. And then there on the slide, about 7 of them, we've got what we call the ABS. It's Emergency Braking Assistance. It's a 4-corner block with a string. It's a wooden block with a string. Okay. So that in case, let's say you're coming, I'll pull it that way, that way he is, that further coming, like yeah. And then as you're coming, I'll tell you to slow down. And then you slow down and you come with enough speed. You're gonna hit that block towards me. See, is that in case if you're coming too fast, it will help you to slow down. So if you see it in front of you, don't panic and stop in front of it. Otherwise, you're gonna get stuck. So if you hear me saying slow down, and then you slow down, and you're coming and I say, oh, lift up again. Just lift up again, your pulley. You're gonna hit that block towards me. It's for the safety. You see what I mean?
Yeah.
So make sure if you're pulling yourself, don't let this pulley collide with your finger like this. Otherwise, it hurts. And then we normally do I-5 at the end of the trip. We don't want you guys end up doing I-1, I-2, I-3, I-4 if you're lucky. Okay. So guys, you want all your fingers here. Okay. So if you can't pull yourself, don't worry. We're gonna come and fetch you. I'm gonna come and fetch you there. All right. Any questions?
Ja, het mag niet voor allemaal.
Okay, ready?
Je loopt voorbij. Je loopt.
Okay. Hold it other way around. Your hands
Fingers.
first.
Ja.
Okay, lift it up. Pull down. Up. Now don't look at your pulley. Look at Jerry and go. Up. Yeah. Look at Jerry. Don't look at your pulley and go. Yeah.
Right. Leg straight.
Up. Up.
Speedy,
Lift up your pulley.
speedy.
Oh.
Ready? And go.
He tried.